Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is Madhumita. Here we go with second episode of Durga Puja special series. Today's makeup look is Saptami special makeup look, which will be very easy and quick. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first I will start by priming my face. For that I am using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Cucumber Primer Water and I am spraying all over my face. Now for foundation, I am using PAC HD Liquid Foundation 01 and applying all over my face. Then using a damp beauty blender, I am blending this all. Now for concealer, I am using Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind Concealer Medium and applying under my eye area, bridge of my nose, on forehead, on chin, around lips and around nose. Then I am blending this all. Then to set this all, I am using PAC Translucent Powder 01 and applying all over my face using a flat kabuki brush. Off camera, I'll do my eyebrows. Now for eye makeup, first I am taking Maybelline Black Gel Liner using an angle brush and I am applying on my lash line. Then using this black eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution 32 eyeshadow palette, I am smudging the line. Then I am taking Burn It using a pencil brush and blending the edges of black eyeshadow. Then I am taking Hold Me and blending the edges of Burn It. Now I am taking Cerise and blending the edges. Now again taking Burn It, I am intensifying my lash line. Then again blending this all. Now I am highlighting my inner corner using the color Moss Boss from Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette. Then I am applying this color Kisses on it from Makeup Revolution 32 eyeshadow palette Flawless 4. Then using a green eye pencil, I am tight lining my waterline. Then taking the color Apple Cider from the same palette, I am applying it on my lower lash line. Now I am applying mascara from Maybelline New York Volume Express Hyper Curl Mascara. Then I am highlighting my brow bone using the color Kisses. Then for blush, I am using Makeup Revolution Contour and Blush palette and applying this color on my cheekbone as well on the apple of my cheek. And on nose. Then I am taking this color and again I am applying on my cheekbone. On nose. On my jawline. And on my hairline. Now to highlight my face, I'm using kisses and applying on my cheeks, on nose tip, on the bridge of my nose, and on chin. Now for lipstick, I'm using Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick Amazonian. Then I'm wearing a green bindi. Now using my liquid liner, I'm drawing a small line above the bindi. Now to set this all, I'm using Makeup Revolution Hyaluronic Setting Spray. So here is the final look. A quick, easy makeup look. Please let me know how is this look by commenting down. If you like this video, then please give a big fat thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. See you on next video. Till then, stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.